My good people, now welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our white green country, so we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with legit information we go like share, give the general public. And the cocoa now be say one chieftain of the Pan Niger Delta Elders Forum wey be PANDEF, and this country person dey go by the name NSI0N. He now don come outside dey send a direct and a clear message to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, man wey still be the former governor of Rivers State, and we are talking about Wike. The chieftain of PANDEF now dey yarn dey give Wike say na him wey be the FCT minister, him wey be Wike, na him get him mouth. If he talk anything wey he wan talk, if he call the suspended governor of Rivers State anything wey he wan call am. But the truth, the fact remains that Rivers State people want peace. Rivers State people no want wahala at all. Them now don't tire for the tensions. Them now don't tire for the beef. Them now don't tire for the crisis. The katakata we don too plaster for inside Rivers State. And no be lie, my good people. These talks so wey dey come aside from the mouth of Sir NSI0N, wey be chieftain of PANDEF. In the yarn am in the middle of the recent remarks by Wike, and recently Wike bin come outside the yarn say Fubara will be the suspended governor of Rivers State, na his boy. And these remarks, these comments so we come aside from the mouth of Wike don trigger reactions across Rivers State. Many elders now don dey yarn say the priority of Rivers State people na peace, regardless of political up and down, regardless of political son and father, regardless of things and things wey be political wey dey play for inside Rivers State. And no be lie, my good people. Reports dey ground as during one interview wey Wike get with Tori people just last weekend. And for inside that interview, so Wike now come dey yarn dey give men say men now dey get the matter twisted, men dey misunderstand wetin dey play. He say him now wey be the minister of FCT, Wike, he no dey in conflict with Fubara, no. But people wey in the target now, those people now wey dey reap from where they no sow. Those people now where they push Fubara to they do things and things where he no supposed do. Those people now where they whine Fubara to they go against him. And according to Sir Wike, the things and things where they play for inside Rivers State currently no be battle at all. He said the suspended governor of Rivers State will be Fubara, na him boy, na him son, na him beat around. So why you go come dey fight him boy? Why you go come dey fight him son? Now, onto this statement, onto these remarks wey Wike make for inside the interview wey he get with Tori people just last weekend. Now, why Sir NSI0N, wey be a chieftain of the Pan Niger Delta Elders Forum, wey be PANDEF, come outside the yarn, say na the FCT minister Wike na him get him mouth. So if he choose to address the governor Fubara any way wey he like, based on say them they been get relationship before, and that relationship last for years. But wetin Rivers State people want currently na absolute peace. They are not interested on how Fubara is being addressed by his predecessor. They are not interested on the names wey Wike dey call Fubara. If you like, make him be him boy. If you like, make him be his son. If you like, make him be his grandson. Or if you like, make him be his stepson. That one no concern them at all. Wetin they want na peace. And they not even ready to call the interfere, because last Fubara and Wike, they be party men before. They work together for long. So there's no need to come dey react onto the remarks of Wike. And then the chieftain come proceed further now they urge the people of Rivers State. Say it go good make them unite o. It go make sense if they come together in ensuring peace and facilitating the reinstatement of Governor Fubara. All hands must be on deck if they want unity, and if they want Fubara to come back. The camp of Wike and the camp of Fubara gats come together. And then he say they very much hopeful. Say Fubara go return to office before the expiration of the 6 months emergency rule declared by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on the 18th day of March for this year, so maybe 2025. That is, with the way things they go and in the direction where the things they go, in they get positive feeling. Say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu fit just cancel the 6 months suspension even before the 6 months go complete. If you just wake up for one morning, say okay, since everywhere now don stew, everybody now don learn their lesson, Fubara, come back to office as governor, come and be doing the needful. And if na so it take play, men go last get joy for inside Rivers State. And then speaking on the political tensions, the elder statesman now come dey explain say Wike criticism of Dr. Abiye Sekibo plus Honourable Austin Opara and Celestine Omeya wey Oga Nyesom Wike bin dey accuse say na dem dey mislead Sasim Fubara, say dat no dey surprising since they are all from the same political family, since e be say na one umbrella na dem come from, so e no shock dem at all. And no be lie, my good people, you know say during the interview wey Oga Nyesom Wike get with Tori people just last weekend, him by himself confess am say him now no dey fight against Sasim Fubara, him no dey fight against his son, him no dey fight against him boy at all, but him dey fight against those people wey wan steal for wetin they no work for, those people wey wan reap for where they no sow. And if you no defeat them now, they go come dey feel as if na dem dey in charge. So e go good make you defeat them and you defeat them to the last. And those people wey wan defeat so, na dem be the individuals wey dey push Sasim Fubara in the wrong direction. Na dem dey whine Sasim Fubara so dem go come dey do the things and things wey dey against the man wey sweat to put am for office as governor of the state. Meanwhile, sake of the remarks wey the FCT minister now yarn for the interview wey him get with Tori people, men now reason am on a negative level while some reason am on a positive level. Some now come dey yarn say before the FCT minister Oga Nyesom Wike go come outside now come dey talk things like this, that means the peace negotiations, the peace waka don dey true dey work. And reports dey ground say the suspended governor of Rivers State Sasim Fubara him bin carry 2 APC governors dem go see Oga Nyesom Wike for inside him house. And when Sasim Fubara enter the armour of Oga Nyesom Wike, only him dey waka dey go front sake of say he know every for the house, sake of say the house na a familiar terrain, he no be newcomer for the house at all. And apart from the visit, men now don observe as Sasim Fubara now dey tell him supporters say before they go enter street go do anything in his name, e go good make dem tell am first, e go good make dem first seek for his permission, make dem no go talk things and things, make dem no go do things and things now wey go come spoil the peace movement, wey go come spoil the peace effort wey the man don dey sweat to create, wey don dey sweat to establish. So this my good people now the informate I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update, if you be say you like this report and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news, they come your side, now go first receive the update and go even get them sharp. And also try make you share the news, give your family and friends so that them too they go know it they sub, so that them too they go know it they play for inside Rivers State and for inside we nation Nigeria. Now me they go get more news, me they go get more reports, me they go get more information for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.